Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. For the new subscribers, thank you for subscribing. For the viewers, thank you for clicking this video. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be talking about why the GJ is about to sell for the next 3 weeks, right? Now guys, this is literally going to be my daily bias for GJ, right? And basically explain to you why I think the GBPJPY is about to keep selling for the next couple weeks, right? Now guys, let's just literally jump straight into my chart so I can explain to you exactly how I was able to get this synopsis, right? Now, the reason why I'm able to predict sales for the GBPJPY is because, guys, I use a strategy called the SDI entry model. And the SDI entry model is very simple to understand. It literally boils down to waiting for price to give you a doji candle. And then, since we're looking for sales, price needs to take out the high of that doji candle. When price takes out the high, the only thing that is left is for price to give you an entry candle. And usually that entry candle is going to be the shooting star. So now with that being said, imagine what I just said what's happening in the daily time frame. So for us to go back to my chart, you're going to see, right, that price right now gave a doji candle right here. This was our doji candle. Now, doji candles to me can either be price opening and closing in the same price point, or price giving me a body and a wick, but the body is now in the middle of both wicks. So in this case here, the body was in the middle of both wicks, which makes this a shooting star, which makes this a doji candle. Now, when price presented a doji candle, the next step is for price to take out the high of that doji candle. So in this case here, guys, price came, gave a doji candle, and then took out the high. When it took out the high, right, we were actually able to anticipate sales, and price then now sold and closed as a shooting star. Now, when price closed as a shooting star, what does that tell me? That tells me that, hey, price has given an entry in the daily time frame. So when price finally gave this entry, literally, guys, in my head, all I'm looking at is going to be sales throughout the day, literally throughout the week. So guaranteed for sure, if I was to take my trade right there in the daily time frame, my stop loss would be above the shooting star, and then I target a 1 to 2 risk to reward. So you can clearly see, right, that in these next upcoming days, right, price is likely going to reach 190, right, for GBPJPY, right? Literally that simple. So now in the daily time frame, I'm targeting a 1 to 2 risk to reward. But guys, if I go to back to the 1 hour time frame, you're going to see, right, that price will give me entries in the 1 hour time frame, and I can literally hold those entries all the way to TP, which is literally all the way right there. Now, I won't even lie, guys, I'm not even in any trade right now because price literally took me out here. But it's so funny because I actually took a trade here, and then price hit my TP, as you can see, but then price now bought all the way back up and took me out, you know. So in this case here, literally price took me out, right? I think I actually moved my stop loss a little bit further down, and then I actually took like, I think 80% profits, but then price now took me out, which is okay, which is fine. I don't really care. But literally, guys, like at this point, when it comes to GJ, guys, because price has already given me the SDI entry model in the daily time frame, I don't have to wait for the SDI entry model in the 1 hour time frame. Literally, any shooting star that I see in the 1 hour time frame, as long as that shooting star is in a really good place, I will take that sell entry. So in this case here, if I was to move this, you're going to say that price came, right? Price came, gave my entry SDI entry model there, it sold, then I retraced, it gave a shooting star right there. Now, I'm not even going to lie, I should have taken a trade right there and held this trade now, because price will literally tank when price opens up. I don't want to guarantee, obviously, but I'm just very confident that price will literally tank. But if it doesn't tank, it doesn't really matter because I'm equipped with the information, right, to keep trading the market. But overall, I still know at the back of my head that the daily time frame has given a sell entry. So what that means is, likely, if price was actually going to buy, because you can see that price is creating like this, you know, double top, or this triple top right here, or triple bottom, right? So in this case here, in the daily time frame, I can anticipate, right, that since my entry is right there and my stop loss is literally right there like this, usually price will go into a drawdown, you know, give or take 60% of the time. And because this is the daily time frame, likely price might, you know, retrace up. But guys, literally I'm targeting a 1 to 10 right there. So if price was to retrace up, my buy limit or my sell limit will now be literally from this area right there, and I'll take another sell again, literally from this top, and ride this move all the way down. You feel me? And then the most fun part about this is, guys, the 1 hour time frame will give me a signal too. So if you notice too, right, if I was to zoom in this specific high right here, you can see that price gave us a shooting star and then give us that as their entry model for the buying, but it has not given us an entry for sales. So my guess is price will likely want to buy up from here, buy all the way up here, and then I'll give a shooting star. When price gives that shooting star, guys, I'm telling you guys, I will literally take that trade and hold that trade all the way down here. Literally, that's literally my game plan right there, right? But with that being said, guys, this is basically how you can anticipate, you know, crazy moves like this. You feel me? And how I'm able to understand that, yo, the daily time frame is about to sell for the next coming weeks, right? But yeah, guys, I hope you guys really gained a lot from this, and I really hope you guys gain a lot of nuggets or took some nuggets from this video, right? If you want to learn more, guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you click that subscribe button. Make sure you click that like button. But comment down below what you want to see next in my video. All right, guys, I'll see you guys in a different video. Peace.